We start with some tough news and a grim milestone for the U.S., with more than 250,000 Americans having died from the coronavirus and over 79,000 currently hospitalized in the U.S. from COVID-19 complications. Now, health officials fear that number will be rising after Thanksgiving as the cases are going north, ticking upward. New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio makes a drastic call in the name of safety.
New York City has hit exactly 3.0%. And as a result, we do need to close our schools for the coming days.
The nation's largest public school system has temporarily closed once again as COVID-19 cases rise.
No one is happy about this decision, but we set a very clear standard, and we need to stick to that standard.
As some 300,000 students are sent home to virtually learn, one aggravated parent is speaking out.
We have 0.2% positivity in our schools. So the city may have hit 3%, but it turns out that our schools are the safest place to be in our city.
Over in California, 8 lawmakers are sparking outrage for flying out of state to Hawaii, ironically for a pandemic conference. Governor Gavin Newsom is weathering his own criticism for attending a 12-person birthday dinner. Meanwhile, the governor's wife, Jennifer Siebel Newsom, has co-authored a report asking, are the kids all right? She highlights youth dependence on devices, writing, quote, as these adolescents fall asleep with their phones under their pillows, tragically, their sadness, anxiety, and despair are mounting.
Thanksgiving's coming up.
President-elect Joe Biden shares his Turkey Day plans with the nation as one health official reminds Americans to keep their guard up.
There are going to be 3 of us because you can't mix the families that have been away, that have been quarantined.
The safest way to celebrate Thanksgiving this year is at home with the people you live with and through virtual celebrations.
Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar also shared they expect to have 40 million doses of COVID vaccines available for distribution by the end of the year.